Hello everyone. If you want to do SBI Net Banking new registration, then this video is for you. In this, I have explained step by step in an easy way how you can easily register for SBI Net Banking registration. Let's understand through the video.
Step 1. SBI website open.
First, open the browser on your mobile or computer and type onlinesbi.sbi into the search bar. Then hit search. After that, you will see an interface like this. Step 2. New user registration. Now you will need to tap on New User Registration/Activation. A new page will open where you will see some instructions. It states that if you have received a pre-printed kit (PPK) from the bank branch, do not use this new user registration link. That kit already contains your user ID and password. You can use those directly on the login page to activate your internet banking. This registration link is only for retail customers, individual account holders, not for corporate customers. If you have not taken the pre-printed kit, tap on OK. After tapping OK, you will see the options for New User Registration and Activation of Username. You must choose the New User Registration option. After selecting it, tap on Next. Step 3. Account Details. Now you need to fill in your bank details. Account number, CIF number and branch code. All of these are written in your passbook. Check your passbook and enter them. If you do not know the branch code, then use the Get Branch Code link. Country. Here you need to select the name of the country. Registered mobile number. Enter the mobile number that is registered with the bank. In facility required, select the transaction limit you wish to set. After entering all these details, provide the CAPTCHA and click Submit. Step 4. OTP verification. After this, an OTP will come on your registered mobile number. Enter it and proceed. Step 5. Debit card authentication. After this, you will see two options below. I have my ATM card, online registration without branch visit. I do not have my ATM card, activation by branch only. If you do not have an ATM card, then you will have to go to the branch. But if you have an ATM/debit card, then choose the I have my ATM card option and tap on Submit. After this, a new page will open in front of you where the list of your cards will be visible. From there, choose your ATM card and tap on Confirm. Now you will have to fill in your ATM/debit card details. After filling in expiry date, account holder name, ATM PIN and CAPTCHA, tap on Proceed. After tapping the Proceed option, a new page will open. There, you will see the message Debit card details successfully validate. This means that your card has been successfully verified by the bank. Now it will be written on the screen. Please don't refresh or close this page. Click here to return to the retail portal. Meaning, you should not refresh or close the page. Just tap on the Click Here option and proceed with the SBI Net Banking process. Step 6. Login ID and password. Here, write your desired username. After that, name availability will be checked. Name availability means that when you select a username for SBI Net Banking, the system checks whether that name is already held by another customer. This process ensures that your username is unique. Username selection process. Enter your username and tap on Check Availability. If the name is available, a green tick or an availability message will appear. If the name has already been taken, choose another username. When the username is available, keep it and proceed. Now, create a secret password. Be sure to make the password strong, containing capital letters, small letters, numbers, and special symbols. After filling in all the correct information, tick I accept the terms and conditions and then tap on Submit. Registration complete. Following submission, you will see a message that says Successfully registered for Internet Banking. This means your Internet Banking registration is complete and successful. Finally, you must tap on the close option.
Step 7. First log in and set profile password.
Now log in to SBI Net Banking again. Write the username and password you created here, and after entering the captcha, tap on Login. After this, an OTP will come to your registered mobile number. Enter it and proceed. After OTP verification, you will have to set a new profile password. Here you will also have to choose some security questions and their answers. Keep in mind, the function of login password and profile password are different. Login password is used only for logging into net banking. That is, whenever you enter SBI Internet Banking, you do so with this password. Whereas, the profile password is a bit more secure. It is used for high security tasks such as fund transfer, adding a beneficiary, or profile update. Therefore, it is very important to keep both passwords separate and safe, so that the system can correctly match your password. After this, you need to select a hint question. This is a security question, which helps to verify your identity if you forget your password. After selecting one, write the answer to the selected question here. After that, you have to enter your place of birth below, such as Delhi, Mumbai, or Odisha. Please note, you have to enter the place of birth here, not the date of birth. After filling everything correctly, tap on Submit. After tapping on Submit, the profile password will be successfully set. Now your SBI Internet Banking is completely active and secure. You can do balance check, fund transfer, online bill payment, statement download, and much more. In this way, you can easily do SBI Net Banking registration. We have put a lot of effort into making this explanatory video. If this video solves your problem, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Get a little help from your Screen Expert YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe.